The holiday season is around the corner and I have a great appetizer to share with you that's super easy. Here are the 5 ingredients that you need. You need some apples, beef, boursin, celery salt, and puff pastry. Thinly slice your beef and add some celery salt to season. Put some flour down. Before you roll out your puff pastry, place your puff pastry down, both sides coated in flour, and start rolling it out thin. And roll it out fairly thin until you get a square shape. Now it's time to cut it into squares. It works best if your squares are relatively even, but it's really not that picky, so don't worry too much about it. Next, I'm going to take a mini muffin tray and spray each well with a little bit of oil. Now we're going to take one of the squares and put it right into the well and pull at the sides if it doesn't go all the way up. Grab your Boursin cheese and slide it right into the bottom of the well. The next layer is a little bit of beef right on top. Now we're going to add a little more cheese on top. Add a small wedge of apple right into the top of the well. Just in case I forgot to mention it, I got the Boursin with the truffle salt. We're putting this into a preheated oven at 400 degrees for anywhere between 15 and 20 minutes. You're going to look for the edges to be a nice golden brown. In just 14 minutes, you have a beautiful golden brown appetizer, absolutely scrumptious. I've cut one open so that you can see it. It's cooled down just for a little bit. What do you think? Doesn't that look delicious? Time to taste. So good. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. See you soon.